Hi guys, welcome back to Bajwa Family Cooks. Today I made a beans cheesy loaded jacket potato. So keep watching to learn how, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And for these jacket potatoes, first we're gonna need some potatoes. And I have these potatoes right here. You can use any potatoes you like. There's obviously bigger ones as well, but you just want to give them a nice wash first. Nicely washed all of my potatoes. Look at, nothing should come, like no dirt should come off. So as you can see, look, they're perfectly clean. Nothing should be on my hands. Alright guys, all my potatoes are washed. Now I'm gonna bring them over here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to stab all the potatoes so it'll cook faster and cook more even. Alright, now I'm just gonna massage the potatoes with some oil. I'm just gonna salt the potatoes. We're just gonna pop them in the oven. I'll let you guys know how long it takes, but it should take about 20 minutes. I've put the oven at 200, so I'll let you guys know. For the tadka beans that we're gonna put on the jacket potatoes, let me show you how I make them. First, I added some desi ghee. I already added that. And now I'm gonna add my onions and green chilies. Mix that up. Wait for your onions and green chilies to get soft, and then we're gonna add the spices. Alright, so I had covered the onions so that they would get a little soft, and they are very nice and soft now, nice and crispy. And now I'm gonna add some spices. First I'm gonna add some paprika. Some garlic granules. Some chili flakes. Some cayenne for a kick. Some salt. Add some pepper. Now I'm just gonna give it a good mix. Alright, I let everything marinate, the spices with the onions, for about 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna add my beans. Give it a good mix.
This is the cutest potato in the world. Whoa, 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 whoa. A potato flew around my room.
I just need to check the salt. Alright guys, our jacket potatoes are all done. And now I'm gonna plate one for you guys. You guys hear that crunch?
Yeah.
Crispy. And add some butter. Alright, sprinkle some salt. Some pepper. Now for the best part, the beans. And now for some toppings. We got some onions. Got some green chilies. I'm gonna have the green chilies afterwards. Anyways, put some cheese. Onions. Green chilies. And some drizzle of this. Nice spicy now. Voila! I'm gonna get a little bit of everything. That is so good. Fire.